Clemson has really allowed me to hone in my passions and be able to give a name to them. I've always been passionate about food, I'm passionate about people, and I've always been curious about how those human connections and foodways sort of weave together.
Building people and building communities, it's helped me look to my future and see how I'm going to be able to help people in the health community. During my work in the COVID testing site at Clemson, I've been able to get to know people, hear about why they're making the decisions that they're making, hear about why Clemson's making the decisions they're making to keep us safe. And I've just been able to apply that to my life personally, and I'll hopefully be able to apply that in the workforce when I get to that point after Clemson.
So I'm really passionate about political advocacy and social movements, and sociology allows for me to kind of analyze our social institutions and see how they disadvantage marginalized communities. It's something that I want to pursue at the nonprofit sector or at the government sector, just working with these communities and kind of using what I've learned working here at Clemson through the Clemson undergraduate student government and expanding that into a broader context at the state and national level.
I always knew yes, I need to pursue education because it's carried my family such a long way from where we come from, a family of sharecroppers to now someone who is the first great-grandchild of my great-grandparents to get their college education. Yeah, I think building people and communities is so essential. It may be hard, but we have to build one another. So I just like to take that and to just help people in any way I can. I want to carry that into my future work as a journalist. I love telling stories. Every individual story has purpose and is needed to be heard.
CBSHS really drove home how much of a community there is around the things that I'm interested in that I never had really seen before. I've learned from professors in PRTM and communication, public health, Anthropology, obviously, and they're all so connected in so many different ways. And I've been able to learn something unique from every single one of them, and they all teach me how to better connect with people and how to be a better global citizen and how to better, serve my neighbors, basically. The combined knowledge and skill sets from all of these people across the different departments just gives me a more well-rounded knowledge base to use kind of in the field and in the world.